Hey everyone, it's Elango here. With so many streaming platforms popping up, it can be overwhelming to choose the right one. We're diving deep into the top movie streaming platforms, giving you the inside scoop on what makes each one special. Get ready to find your perfect match for movie nights. Let's do this. First up, Netflix. They pretty much wrote the book on streaming with a massive library and those Netflix originals everyone's obsessed with. If you're all about high-quality, original content and love to explore different genres, Netflix is your go-to. Next, Amazon Prime Video. If you're already an Amazon Prime member, you've got a treasure trove of movies and series at your fingertips. For those who love their Prime perks and crave exclusive original series, this one's for you. Calling all Disney fans, it's time to enter the magical world of Disney+. Get ready for a nostalgic roller coaster with all your favorites from Disney, Pixar, Marvel, and Star Wars. This is the one for families, Disney fanatics, and anyone who loves those epic Marvel and Star Wars adventures. Now let's talk Hulu. This platform is all about giving you options, from on-demand movies and shows to live TV. If you can't decide between the latest episodes and a solid movie collection, Hulu's got your back. Get ready for some seriously addictive television with HBO Max. We're talking critically acclaimed HBO originals and blockbuster movies. If you're a fan of top-tier shows and want to catch blockbuster releases, HBO Max is your ticket to entertainment heaven. Apple TV Plus is all about quality over quantity with exclusive Apple originals. Think big budgets, A-list stars, and stories that will stay with you. For those who appreciate beautifully crafted, critically acclaimed original content, Apple TV Plus is a must-try. Who doesn't love free stuff? With Peacock, you can enjoy a mix of movies, shows, and even live sports without spending a dime. Peacock is perfect for those who like a little bit of everything. Classic shows, new releases, and even some live action in the mix. Get ready for a Paramount Plus experience. This one's got a library packed with movies, your favorite CBS shows, and iconic Paramount Pictures films. If you're a fan of CBS content and can't resist a good Paramount movie marathon, add this one to your list. We all know and love YouTube. But did you know they've got a whole section dedicated to movies? You can catch some free movies with ads, or rent, or buy the latest releases. If you're all about instant access to popular movies without the commitment of a subscription, YouTube Movies has got you covered. Vudu is all about giving you the power of choice with a massive selection of movies. It's perfect for viewers who like to keep their options open and prefer renting over a full-blown subscription. Crackle is a completely free streaming service with a surprisingly good selection of movies and TV shows. If you're on a tight budget but still crave some quality entertainment, Crackle is a hidden gem. Get ready to be amazed by the sheer volume of free content on Tubi. For budget-conscious viewers who believe in legal and free movie streaming, Tubi is a dream come true. Pluto TV is shaking things up with its unique approach to streaming. Think of it like your old-school cable TV, but completely free. It's perfect for those who miss the feeling of channel surfing and want a taste of that cable experience without the hefty price tag. Canopy is here to take your love for movies to the next level. They've partnered with universities and public libraries to give you free access to a world of high-quality cinema. If you're a student, a frequent library visitor, or just appreciate classic and indie films, Canopy is your new best friend. New best. Plex is more than just a streaming service. It's a whole media management system with a mix of free and premium content. If you're looking for a way to organize your media and enjoy some free entertainment on the side, Plex is worth checking out. Calling all sports fanatics. Fubo TV is about to become your new best friend with extensive live sports coverage and some movie content. If you're a die-hard sports fan who also enjoys a good movie night, it might just be the perfect fit. Sling TV is here to save the day for those looking for a more affordable cable alternative with live TV streaming and on-demand movies. It's all about flexibility and choice, so you can create a viewing experience that suits your needs and your budget. Get ready for some next-level entertainment with Showtime. They're all about premium original series, critically acclaimed movies, and thought-provoking documentaries. If you're a fan of Showtime originals and want to be ahead of the curve on exclusive films, this one's calling your name. Starz is here to elevate your movie nights with a curated selection of blockbuster hits and original TV shows you won't find anywhere else. If you're looking for high-quality movies and are open to discovering some hidden gems, give Starz a try. Last but not least, we're stepping into the world of Mubi, a streaming service designed specifically for true film lovers with a curated selection of classic independent and foreign films. And if you're ready to dive deep into the world of cinema, Mubi is your passport to a world of film discovery. Wow, we've covered a lot of ground today. From big-name giants like Netflix to hidden gems like Canopy, the world of streaming has something for everyone. Remember, the best platform for you depends on what you're looking for. Happy streaming.